Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given 3 points P, Q and R, where points P and Q, the coordinates are given in numbers, and for points R is in A and B. But one very important clue is here. R is on this line x equals to 3. This is very important. This means that the x coordinate of R, which is A, is in fact 3. Okay, so this clue tells us that A equals to 3, and with that we could then apply the formula on top here to find the coordinates of R, which is the missing B down there. Okay, using this next piece of information, PR equals to QR. Alright, so without further ado, usually I do like to write this down. If it's PR, that means my P is 1. 6.5, my R in this case, I already know my A is 3, and B we don't know. So this will be my x1, y1, x2, y2, and then I would be able to form the equation now, where PR is equal to QR. Yeah, so this is what we are going to do next. I'm going to then have this. So x2 minus x1, meaning 3 minus 1 bracket square, plus my b minus 6.5 bracket square. This one will be equals to my QR. So for my Q and R, right, I'm going to replicate here. Q would be 2, 5. Again, my R, 3 and B. So in this case, x1, y1, x2, y2. So on the other side of the equation, you would see 3 minus 2 bracket square plus b minus 5 bracket square. So now my next job would then be to simplify this. I saw that both have square root, meaning I'm going to square both sides. So the next line, you will not see any square root anymore. Rather, you will see this as 3 minus 1 bracket square will be 4. And I'm going to continue to expand and simplify this using my algebraic product. Okay, so I will have b square minus 2 times b times 6.5 plus 6.5 square equals to, I will replicate for the other side here, 3 minus 2 bracket square equals to 1. Again, this part here will also make use of the algebraic formula. So I will have my b square minus 2 times b times 5 plus 5 square. So I'm going to simplify. I will have b square minus 2 times b times 6.5 is 13. B 4 plus 6.5 square would give me a value of 46. 0.25 So on the other side of the equation, I will have b squared minus 2 times b times 5 is minus 10b. And again, 1 plus 5 squared will give me positive 26. So let's continue to solve for b. And once we have b, we will be able to get the coordinates of r. So on the next line, I would then minus b squared on both sides. I would add 10b on both sides, so that my right hand side there is no more b. I would minus 46.25 on both sides, so that my left hand side there is no more number. And the next line you would then see is negative 3b is equal to negative 20.25. So I would then divide by negative 3 on both sides to get my final answer for b. B will be equal to 6.75. And therefore, the coordinates of r, a is 3, b is 6.75. So from this particular question, do take note of how Mr. Tan approached this question. Mr. Tan tried to look from the information given, like r is on the line x equals to 3. That gives me the value of a. And because the next piece of information is PR equals to QR, this has something to do with the length. I built on my knowledge of using the formula of the line segment to form an equation and solve for the next unknown b. Okay? With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.